I am super excited. I cannot contain myself for this unboxing. I have a wig from Silkrow Lace called the Leanne wig, and we're gonna unbox her together and talk about all the features and what makes the Leanne wig named after me. Look at this color. What makes this the 2.0 glueless are all these incredible features. The top is this beautiful double layer lace. It has closed wefts in the back. It has clips on the side, which I'm going to cut those off because I don't have hair. But the cool part is there is wiring in here, so it just sits above your ear. It's incredible. Literally silicone everywhere. Like there's silicone on this back band. There is silicone grippers here on the back, and at the nape there's also grippers there. And then down here, look at this. There is a little piece of boning there as well. So you can wear this in a ponytail and not have to glue it down at all. Let's put her on. Oh my God, this wig is so beautiful. Look at the lace front. I mean, what lace, right? It's beautiful. Also the top, super natural. Everything is so natural about these wigs. The hair quality is amazing. It is 22 inches and I'm 5'8" for reference. I am absolutely floored. I am so honored that this wig is named after me. So if you want more information about the Leanne wig, I'm gonna put it in the captions. I absolutely love this wig, you guys. I cannot wait to wear her out.